how to buy DDD token. So this token came under the symbol of 4 a time D. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 months ago and increased by 9,000% in less than 24 hours. This token trending number 3 right now in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, as you can see, so you can copy the token address from here and open your Phantom wallet. For that, as you can see, now go and open your wallet. Now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now sorry, this is not the right one. Just go and open your BitGet wallet for that, because this token under the BNB Smart Chain network. Now go to your BitGet wallet, go to your wallet, select the BNB chain as a network. Now as you can see, I will just go back. Now after you select the BNB chain as a network, click on this plus icon, as you can see. Now paste the token address in the search bar, and you can click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called DDD 4 times. So as you can see, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, so you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive in a while, as you can see, of that token. And here, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy 4 times the token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.